at Seatbelt Securities, we keep our customers safe from malware and spyware or anything that could attack their computer. We try to keep them safe on the internet and keep them safe while they're doing their daily activities to ensure they have a safe and enjoying time on the internet.
This Seatbelt Securities, this is how we protect your computer from viruses, just like that. No problem, that's what we do. It's Seatbelt Securities. We block viruses like this from getting to your computer.
Oh man.
Go home, buddy.
Our product is free to download and it will be for technological businesses and other businesses. It will protect you from spyware, malware, and other viruses.
So we're still working on our final product now. We're marketing it early so people can be intrigued and interested, and possibly we can get some investors in and we can build our company from there.
So the resources that we may need is we need a web browser to run our products on. We need a web browser that is able to allow users to download the products and then they can run on that web browser. As well as we need people who are technologically sound to maintain our software and ultimately create it. And we just need people who are willing to learn to continue to maintain the software and keep it up to date and keep it up running.
We plan on reaching out to the various businesses and technological companies. We believe that they'll benefit from our securities and we'll keep them safe from hackers and other people trying to steal their data.
Without Seatbelt Securities, you can be chased down like Isidore is, chased down by this virus. Alright, so is your computer safe from viruses?
No.
Okay. So with Seatbelt Securities, you stay safe on the internet, stay safe from viruses.
When you say your computer safe from viruses, alright, you should check out Seatbelt Securities, keep you safe from any virus out there. So would you say your computer is safe from viruses? Alright, you should check out Seatbelt Securities, keep you safe from every virus out there.
And what is it?
So Seatbelt Securities is a software program that's like an antivirus and anti-hacker. We'll keep your computer safe, we'll keep your data safe, we'll keep everything safe.
Okay, I'll check that out right now. How do I get to it?
You just gotta search it in your browser.
Okay, thank you.
You say your computer is safe from viruses?
Probably not.
Alright, we should download Seatbelt Securities to keep that computer safe from anything on the web.
Alright, cool. I'll probably download it right now.
We are Seatbelt Securities, and we want to protect our users from viruses and anything that can harm you. Stay strapped.
Stay strapped.
Mmm.